What's up, guys? I'm here in San Jose today. We're going to the circus, and I brought a camera setup that is the most ridiculous thing I've ever done. We're gonna try it for family photos and circus photos. Wow, it's really loud out here. You know, whether I'm in Sturgis or in San Jose, I cannot escape the motorcycles. All right, so anyway, I brought this really ridiculous setup. We're gonna try it out, see how it goes. Okay, the setup I'm using, I've got an A7R5 with one of these disposable lenses on it, but I'm stepping it up even by putting this Reflex Lab flash on this thing. It's gonna be so dumb. All right, hold on. The key to this is to use aperture priority and stop it down like -5. Put the flash at half power. All right, let's see how this goes here. Okay, so we just left the circus and now we are gonna get some ice cream, hit the park. I'm gonna take a few more photos with this disposable camera lens right here. Jen's got it, see her. I'm teaching Amanda how to use the camera. There you go, perfect. Okay, we're gonna do a little Vogue posing with this, which is where you just strike some ridiculous pose with flash and a bad camera lens. We'll see how it goes. Let's try it. Cool thing about something like this is that if you have a lens that's like focused to infinity and you can't focus it because everything's in focus, set your shutter to 1/60. Just get the flash like lighting right, and then you can do that drag at hand speed, just whatever feels natural to do this, and you'll get that motion blur, but everything will be clear like this. Between the circus and the park, maybe we'll have 24 to 36 shots, because that's all I'm gonna keep from this, because we're gonna treat it like it's a disposable camera from the 90s. Right, Jen?
Right.
Right, Amanda?
Right.
Right, Flavio?
Of course, of course.
Oh,
What are you doing? What? Of course.
It's tracking my face, and then I fell. I fell. This is my goofy Italian cousin.
Hi guys, I love you.